All right. Hey, welcome to Premiere 2025. This is new to me. I had to get in here and try to figure this out. Got some people wondering how to create graphics. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a few ways to do that, but let's go ahead and look at what I think will end up ultimately being the easiest way to create a graphic. If you want to put titles in your video, and I don't have a video down here, but let's just say I did. The easiest thing to do is to hit Command T on the keyboard, and that is going to create a new text layer. Once you have the text layer, right, you can then go into that text layer and you have all of the text controls that you are used to. You can adjust the size of said layer. You can adjust the justification of the layer. You can left justify, right justify, center, all that jazz. You can also set your text to be all caps, whatever it is you want to do with it. And this is, I actually think small caps is a fun one. So everything is in caps, but the big caps are bigger. Anyway, there's a lot that you can do, lots of cool stuff here. Play around with these. They will help you out a lot. The next thing then is going to be the color. So if you double click on that, you can come to fill, and then you can select whatever color it is that you want to use. Once you do that, click OK. I'm just going to click out of that, and you can see my text layer changed. Also, what happened is when I clicked down here, I accidentally created another text layer. So if you do that, be very aware of which text layer you're working in. So with this one, I made a mistake, right? So this is a mistake layer. It's easy to fix that. If you're like, oh, I don't really want that there, you can just go and you can clear that. It'll go away. You can also adjust this and move it around and do different things with it. So this is how you're going to create your text in Premiere. Now let's look at one other way. I'm going to delete that, so all of that went away. Notice that I am still in the editing workspace, and if I just reset that, everything's back to normal. I think what they really want you to do is move over here to this create new graphic area and click that, and then you can create your text, which the shortcut again is Command T for that. But you can also add vertical text if you wanted to create something that looked like that. So you've got options for different things you want to do here. You're just going to click the create new graphic button to do that. I will say this was not as intuitive. I did not see this button for a little bit. It took me a few minutes looking around before I found that. This is also where you go if you want to add a shape as a graphic in here. So let's just say you wanted to do a circle, so you would do an ellipse. You would come here again, just like with the text, you come here and you can change it. Once you do that, you should be able to see. Now I have got myself into a situation because I'm not 100% sure I know how to make all of the adjustments that I want to make. I feel like I should be able to just click onto a button and be able to go in and adjust this, but it's not actually doing that. So I'm going to have to do some exploration and figure out how to get in here and make the changes that I want to make. Maybe if I hit, there we go. I hit V, I accidentally zoomed out there. I hit V on the keyboard. So I'm back, and it keeps like zooming in for some reason. But I want to adjust the size of my circle. I hope that if I hit Shift, it's going to maintain, let's say that's the size that I want. Now, when I hit Shift and hold that while I'm adjusting this, then it's going to maintain the shape that I wanted. So if I let go of Shift and do it, it's going to do the weird things. But there we go. So now I've got, again, if you hold Shift, it maintains the size. So you click on it, hold Shift, and then you can adjust. I know this is kind of rambled, but I'm just going to be very transparent with y'all. When they do new things like this and you don't know how to do it, you've just got to get in there and kind of play around with this. And that applies to old things. If you don't know how to do something in Premiere, just get in here and play around and figure it out. And if you can't, then I really suggest you go to YouTube. YouTube is the best solution. If there's something you want to do that you don't know how to do, just go there and figure out how to do it. So hopefully this has helped. Again, you are going to, if you delete this and you want to create a text layer, you can click create new graphic here. But again, Command T, that's going to be the quick way to get to your text effects. I'm going to just go ahead and center this, and maybe I want to center it. And so that's perfectly centered. I like it, but I'm going to make it, let's go bold. And now I'm going to have to recenter things because it's made a little change. All right. So that's how you create your text. Congratulations. You are on your way to becoming an editor.